Hello, and welcome to My Low Country Living. I'm Tommy Ray. Today we're going to make a holiday flag cake using angel food cake, fresh whipped cream, and fresh fruit. This is a great cake to go ahead and bring to your holiday get-togethers, whether that's Memorial Day, Labor Day, or 4th of July. It's a great dessert to have during summertime for your family get-togethers and just to show your pride with that American flag during the holidays. Our ingredients are very simple. We're going to use angel food cake, strawberries, blueberries, and whipped cream. Let's get started. Okay, to get started, first we're going to take our angel food cake here and we're going to slice it up and layer it in the bottom of our pan. Voila. Okay, let's go ahead and just start slicing up our angel food cake, and we're going to make our slices here about a little less, about half an inch thick. We're just going to take those slices that we cut and place them into the baking dish here. It's kind of like a cake puzzle we're putting together here. It's a angel food cake Tetris, I guess you would call it. It's okay to have these little gaps right there because those will be filled in by the whipped cream, so you won't see them. And then you can just cut off a little bit and fill in some little tiny extra spots there. Fill in the little holes with just little pieces of bread of angel food cake, just so that we don't have too many little holes there. Now the holes will be filled in by whipped cream, but there we go. Okay, we're ready to go ahead and put our whipped cream on top of our angel food cake. Now you can use store-bought whipped cream like the Cool Whip right here, or you can make your homemade whipped cream, which I just made a couple of minutes ago. I also will put a link on the bottom of the video where you can go to get my recipe and watch a video on how to make homemade whipped cream. Now this homemade whipped cream was made just using a pint of whipping cream, a quarter cup of powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. That's it, pretty simple. And you can make it in literally less than 2 minutes. Now we'll go ahead and just smooth out the whipped cream over the cake so that we don't see the cuts that we have or the separate pieces of cake there. Just a little bit more here. Just to use up my whipped cream and also just get a nice smooth coating of whipped cream there so that everybody who has a piece gets a lot of whipped cream. Okay, there we go. Okay, now we're going to bring in our strawberries and our blueberries to go ahead and create the stars and stripes. And our blueberries are going to create our blue field that we use for stars, and the stars are actually just going to be the empty space left behind between the blueberries, so that'll be that white space. That's the whipped cream will actually be your star field. And you just kind of place them down on in there, and leaving spots that are clear so that you can have that little star field there. And there we go. There we have our little star filled there. Now the blueberries are always my favorite part, so I try to cram as many blueberries in as possible. Next, we're going to create their stripes by using strawberries. So we'll take our fresh strawberries here. We're just going to slice those strawberries. We're going to slice them this way to create long, pointy areas of strawberries. I'm going to start layering them in, and these are just going to form our red stripes. Oops. I have to. I'm going to replace this one here since I messed up on it. Bam, replacement done. We'll continue creating this stripe field here. That strawberry I just replaced, I ate it and it was so sweet and good. The danger about making this is that if you sample your stars or stripes too often, you won't have enough for your dessert. So I have to keep that sampling down to a minimum. Now these are thick, so as we lay them down here, we're not going to be able to actually create 13 stripes here between the red and the white, but that's all right. It's a symbolic flag cake. I don't like that piece right there. I'm going to take that one out and replace it. Looks like when I complete this row here, I'll have just enough room for one more row of strawberries there. Here's a nice fat strawberry, and I'll make a lot of, I probably might be able to finish off my stripe with this one strawberry. Okay, there we have. Okay, there we have our holiday stars and stripes flag cake that we can use to take to our picnics or get-togethers with our family and friends. It's great to take out for Memorial Day, Independence Day, Labor Day. You know, I love the 4th of July, and so we always have this every 4th of July, and my family just absolutely loves it. Thanks for joining us today on My Low Country Living as we made our holiday stars and stripes fruit cake using angel food cake, fresh strawberries, blueberries, and homemade whipped cream. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks.